This is a LG 55LX900. This TV is made in 2010. I think they have some parts from Morocco, from my country. You can see it over there. Anyway, the customer said this TV, he got it from Facebook, work a little bit, and then stop working. So what we have now is when we plug it, we have the standby light. TV light is going to power on, but we have no picture. He told me something else, before the TV completely stopped working, the HDMI, he got no signal from the HDMI. So he switched it to the component with the adapter. Because I think he did ask me about this TV before when I fixed his game console. And they told him that besides you put more money in it, just use the component converter to the HDMI. And it's been working for a couple months now till it completely stopped working. Anyway, let's take the TV apart, check some voltages, then we'll go from there. We check the voltages. We plug the TV to the power. I did hear the relay clicks. This means the TV in on mode. We have on off here, and that's 3.1 volts. So the TV in on mode now. Right here we have 3.1 volt. So we have 12 volt right here. Standby is 3.3 volt. We have the voltages from the power board. Let's check the main board now. In this coil, we can check the output voltage on them. 1.8, that's good. 1.8, 3.3, 1.2, 5 volt, 5 volt. Yeah, we have all the voltages for the main board to work, but no problem. We have the LVDS going to the T-cone, and we have this connector. This connector here is should have a 12 volt. We have no 12 volt going to the screen. We have the voltages from the power board. We have the voltages for the main board. We don't have the voltage for the screen. Do we have any shorts on the screen? Alright, let's turn off the TV or unplug it. Okay, that's maybe the ground. Yeah, that's the ground. So there is no short in 12 volt screen voltages. It's a common issue for these TVs, the LG. The processor goes bad in the main board. I think I do have a couple of videos fixing this one. This is a main board processor issue. We used to fix a lot of them when the TV was costing a lot of money, like $1,000 or more. It's worth to put some money, like to put 100, 200, and you don't know how long the TV gonna work for, because we don't replace the part. The main board for this one, it costs like maybe about $300. I'm gonna check. It's not worth. You can get a 70-inch TV for about maybe $500, $600 here in US. So it's not worth to put a lot of money in this TV. And this is from a guy that I fixed a console before, and I'm trying to help him. So we can reflow the main board just to give the TV some extra life. How long the TV is going to be good for, I don't know. May work for a couple of years, may die in a couple of weeks. It's hard to tell. Anyway, that's all electronics, Even the new electronics, you don't know how long it's going to be good for. So let's take the main board and reflow it and back. Okay. So it's a very common issue in this one. Okay. Like the main board goes bad I did check the main board replacement. They are selling it for like over 230 plus the shipping, $15 shipping. And it's a used main board. Yeah, we don't know how long that main board is going to be good for. That's the problem. Because it's a common issue in this main board. Even that main board may die very soon. So we're going to try to reflow this one. A lot of online services, they offer repairing this board, but what the repair they're going to do is just reflowing it. So and that's what we're going to do now. We're going to reflow it and we'll go from there. So we set up the hot air about 375, very low air. So just will warm up the board a little bit. I checked the voltages in the coil. The voltages are good, up and running. Like 1.2, 1.8, 3.3, 5 volts. Except the 12 volt output for the screen is not there. So I'm using the mask because I can't breathe the flux. So I just done reflowing the main board in about like maybe 5 minutes. I put a thermal pad like this one. I put it under the processor to this back screen mirror to make it like as a heat sink to cool down the processor, doesn't let it get very hot. So let's test now the TV and see if it's gonna give us the display. So remember, this TV, it has two issues, the HDMI and like the TV now has no picture, no sound. Let's see. Yeah, I see the picture. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see the LG logo. Yeah, we have the picture. It's fixed. All right, let me put it together and we test the HDMI. Here's HDMI 1. Oh yeah, we have the Fire Stick. So the TV is detecting the Fire Stick. It works with the HDMI now. Yeah. TV now it's fixed. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you again.